Tunja, and I will be telling about Trello. So, so, uh, Trello is a visual collaboration and project management tool. So, it was developed by Atlassian. So, it was based on the Kanban methodology. So, it is used for task management, workflow organization, team collaboration, and project progress tracking. So, why software teams choose Trello? So, software engineering projects involve requirement gathering, task assignments, development, testing, and deployment. Trello helps in breaking down projects into manageable tasks. It is used for assigning responsibilities and for monitoring progress in real time. It also supports Agile and Scrum processes. Trello features. So, first one is boards. So, it is project level view. Second one is list. So it is used for different phases of work. Example to do, in progress, done. That I will be talking about this when I will give demo. So third one is cards. That is used to represent tasks, futures or bugs. Fourth one is labels. That is used for categorization. Example, bug enhancement, high priority. Fifth one is checklist. That is used to track subtasks within our card. Sixth one is due dates and reminders to ensure deadlines that are to be met. Attachments, add files, documents, or links. Last one is power ups. That is used for integration of several others like Jira, GitHub, Slack, Google Drive, etc. So, software development workflow example. So, software development projects. So, first one is lists. So these are the all list that I will be doing. So first one is backlog. I will give example how to do it. So to add new features, bugs to work down. Second one is in progress. That is currently being developed. Third one is code review, awaiting peer reviews. Fourth one is testing for QA team testing, and last one is done. That is already completed. So example, suppose I want to make implement login functionality. So checklist like design UI, backend API integration, unit testing, deployment to test server. So I will be setting high priority due date. Suppose I will be setting 30 September. I will show how to do in demo. So next thing is benefits of Trello in software engineering. So first one is transparency. Everyone sees project status. Second thing is easy to use. Uh, uh, simple drag and drop interface is available. Third one is collaboration. It is used for real-time updates for distributed teams. Fourth one is flexibility. It works for Agile, Scrum, and Waterfall projects. Fifth one is productivity. It is used for visual progress tracking that boost efficiency. Customization. Several options are there like to add labels, colors, automations. So let's see what are the limitations of Trello. So first one is free version has a limited power up. That is one per board. So the second thing is limited reporting and analytics compared to advanced tools. Third one is can become clutter for very large complex projects. That's why it is used for only medium or small size projects. Fourth one is no built-in time tracking. Needs external integration. Better for small medium teams rather than large enterprises. So now let's compare Trello with other available tools like Jira, Asana. So first one is Trello versus Jira. So Trello is lightweight, visual, beginner friendly, whereas Jira is advanced, enterprise level, suited for large side projects. Second thing is like as Trello versus Asana. So Trello, it is Kanban board style, whereas Asana, and it is dependent. It is task dependent. Dependencies, more reporting features, and it also enable timeline. So third one is GitHub versus GitHub versus Trello. So Trello, it is used for general project management, whereas GitHub projects used focuses only on code related tasks and pull requests. So before getting in the real world applications of Trello, let's get how Trello works. I will show the demo of Trello. So suppose I want to create one board. Suppose I want to create board like software development. So suppose I will create board. So here I can write my name of the board, like suppose software development. I will simply write. So I can use also I can also change background, like I suppose I want to make blue or violet background, I can use it, like I will create it. So these are all lists, one, two, three. So these are all lists. So I can also add other lists. Like I have shown something. I have already shown what I will be showing. Like backlog, example backlog. I want to prepare. Yeah. So prepared. So for backlog I prepared. Suppose I want to create one testing list. Also I can use it. So these are all phases. So backlog phase, done phase, to do. So suppose inside backlog I can assign some tasks. I can name some tasks. Suppose for backlog I want, what is going on backlog is, suppose I will write design UI. That is a task. Suppose inside backlog also I can also use design backend. That is to do. So I have created these two lists, and suppose I want to go to the list. So I will go to this, like I will open my card. So this is all for design UI. This is like to add labels. We can add labels. First of all, let me write description of design UI. Suppose for design UI, I want to write want user stories, likes want to create interactive UI. So this is how I created descriptions. And suppose I want to add labels, I can use like suppose I want to make it high priority, so I will be using like red color, and inside it I will be use high priority, which will show like my this task is on high priority. So this is how I created my label. So I I have created my label. This is how to create. Suppose this is I have created my label, and suppose I want to add checklist, so I can add checklist here. Suppose front uh, front end implementation. uh, I've added this. Suppose also I want to add login module. I inside it also, suppose I want to add hmm, password password page. So this is all I have created. Suppose I have done all my login modules, so I can use it. So it will shows like my design UI 50% is complete. Like it will show 50% is complete. And suppose I have done both modules, so it will show 100% of front end implementation is completed. And also suppose I want to add members, so I can add members from here. I can also add due dates. So suppose due date is 30, as I already told. So this is how I can use due date also. So this will show like at this time I have to, within this time I have to complete this whole module. So here we can all chat with the members. uh, from here we can add links, display PDF, PPT files, etc. So suppose I have completed this backlog, so I can transfer it to testing phase like this. So it will show like how a task is to be moved inside all the phases. So this is simple tool for software development, that is Trello. So some real world applications based on Trello, where Trello can be used. Uh, so uh, so to learning. Its development teams use it for sprint tracking and bug management. The second thing is like DevOps teams track deployment and incident response. Third thing is like QA testing. Teams manage test cases and defect tracking using Trello. Fourth thing is documentation teams handle API docs and user guides. Fifth thing is like it is used to remote teams collaborate across time zones. Overall, Trello empowers teams with clarity, collaboration, and flexibility, making it very useful tool in modern software engineering. Thank you.